Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Doles. I'm the owner of Connect Smart Systems, your local veteran-owned security services company in Gainesville, Florida. And thank you for watching. Tonight, what I want to show you is a few pictures from a recent camera system upgrade. As you'll see, on the floor there, we have the old system or the components of it. There's no wiring on the floor. Why? Because we've reused cabling it. And that is one way that upgrading can be affordable. When you don't have to replace the cabling, you save a considerable amount of labor and cost associated with the recabling. So what you're seeing there, old analog system, okay? So let's move on. Okay, this is the picture as a result of the new cameras. You see the Dell screen at the top. Below that is our recorder. It's an 8-channel recorder, and currently we have 3 cameras that are connected to it. Here's a view of some of the cameras that we replaced. This is out on the pool deck, and you get another view here. These cameras are outdoor rated, IP67, which is a reference to ingress protection, meaning that it is a rating of the penetration of dust, debris, and then water. Okay, so these are IP67, and as an outdoor camera, these are rated as vandal resistant. And as we get a closer look at this 5 megapixel outdoor camera, what I'd like to tell you that you can't see is that this is a variofocal lens. And what that means to you is that you can either have a very wide view or you can narrow the view. And in this case, the wide view is at 2.8 millimeters, gives you a field of view roughly 108 degrees, and then narrowing that view when you get to the 12 millimeter side of that to roughly 40 degrees. And here's our last picture that I'll end with. This is our indoor camera, of course, on the left, and it's also 5 megapixels. And megapixels, what that means in this case with 5 megapixels is 2542 by 1944 in resolution. So very high resolution, very high quality images, and just think in terms of the higher the number, the better the image quality in this case. And then on the right hand side, we have Netgear. It's an AC 1750 router, and it's configured in an access mode as the customer wanted to be able to extend Wi-Fi or wireless access to their pool deck. I want to thank you for watching, and I ask you to consider Connect Smart Systems if you're considering home security, business security, automation, surveillance, or alert systems. Please give us a call. I'd love to talk with you about it. Our number is 352-575-1327. Thank you so much for watching.